My name is Logarithms, your online tutor for mathematics. I want to implore you to subscribe, like, comment, and share our content on all our social media platforms. I welcome you back to this session of mathematics. Thank you. Operations with logarithms which are negative. As you can see here, this is bar 1.9497 plus bar 3.8320. They are both negative. Do you get? So we want to add them together. Like this is the operation between them. We want to add them together. Do you get? So how do we do that? Let's just see. That will be, let's put this up. 3.8320. You can do it that way since it's addition. Bar 1.9497. We want to add them. Alright, looking at this, you see this is bar 3. This is bar 1. You can easily say these are, because you can say, okay, like minus 3, minus 1, that is minus 4, right? So we have it to be bar 4, isn't it? And for this one now, it is just like having 0.8320 plus 0.9497, right? So 0 plus 7, that gives you 7. 2 plus 9, that gives you 11, put 1 here. 1 plus 3, that gives you 4. 4 plus 4, that gives you 8. 8 plus 9, that gives you 17, right? 7, put 1 here. 1 comes that 1.7817. So you have this to be plus 1.7817. This one here is positive, isn't it? So we have bar 4 to be minus 4. You get plus 1. Points, you get? So we can have minus 4 plus 1, that gives us what? 3. So we have bar 3 there. Bar 3, it gives us bar 3.7817. That is it. Thank you.